This bolt's finally loose. Good, keep at it. This rust is really stubborn. Yeah, just keep at it. How's the engine look? Not bad. I need a wrench. All right, start the cut right there. Got it, firing up. Steady now, watch the sparks. Almost through. Hold steady, this is getting hot. Sparks are flying everywhere. Almost through. Think it's the head gasket? No, just a bad hose. Hand me the wrench. Here you go. Looks pretty rusted. Check the intake manifold bolts. Looks loose. Need the 10 millimeter. Got it. Here. Hand me the 10 millimeter, will you? You got it. How's it looking? Gasket shot. This will do it. All right, good. Hand me that wrench. Here you go. Almost got it. Steady now. There. Try it. Sounds good.